Assalamualaikum friends, here is photo effect PSD file. These files are protected password in my app. Go to Google Play Store, write Sheri SK, buy now for lifetime. iPhone user can contact me on my WhatsApp number. And here is 12 PSD. One is preview and second is PSD file for Photoshop CC plus version and CS plus version. Same thing here. For example, I open this one. Here is focus. We need a photo. Double click here, remove it, and pick select this one, drag there, enter, Control S, but you can adjust your own mind. Okay, I tell you, just for example, you can change our set image type. For example, here, Control S, you see. Okay, now place your design here. Open photo, anyone like this one. Enter, Control S, updating smart object, please wait. Here is paint brush, here is paint, and same thing here. Here is just a preview file, and here is a here is a PSD file. Old photo turn, retrieve style, and here is stepple, photo effect, texture, and all for professional effect. Open this one. You see here, no, same thing. We need image, we need portrait image. Here is PSD poster. I use this one. No, enter, Control S. Oh wait, I say again, these files are protected password in my this app. Go to Google Play Store, write Sheri SK and buy now for lifetime. And you see here is effect, but you can adjust your own mind. Okay, I hope these effects are useful for you. Subscribe me. Allah Hafiz.